Today, Indiana Governor Mike Pence signed into law a bill that will allow businesses to deny service to same-sex couples.
Senate Bill 101 will prohibit a government entity from substantially burdening a person's exercise of religion unless the government can prove that the burden has compelling interest and can be done so in the least restrictive way possible.
So the bill is modeled after a 22-year-old federal law known as the Religious Freedom and Restoration Act. But Indiana's recent step has sparked outrage amongst opponents of that bill. Joining us now from Chicago is Adriana Diaz. Adriana, thanks for being here. Let me ask you right off the bat, describe what supporters of this bill have said and what the reaction has been from opponents.
Well, Vlad, we spoke to one of the authors of the bill in the state Senate, and he said he doesn't understand what all the controversy is about. He told me that what this bill does is limit government intrusion in the affairs of people and businesses over religious beliefs. And he said that in his opinion, there's been growing hostility toward people of faith in this country. Now, opponents have been extremely vocal, at times taking over the state capitol with protests. And I spoke to a same-sex couple who said that what this law does is it's a license to discriminate. And now they're afraid that they're going to go to restaurants and businesses and be turned away because of their sexual orientation.
And I guess Arkansas is looking to pass a similar bill?
There are actually about a dozen bills or a dozen states with this type of legislation in the pipeline. Arkansas is one. A similar bill passed their House, and their governor says that if it does reach his desk, he'll sign it.
So if 19 other states have similar, legislation, why then is this particular law causing so much controversy in Indiana?
Well, that's what that state senator who I spoke to said. He said, you know, what we're simply doing is bringing Indiana in line with these 19 other states that have similar legislation and the federal government, as you noted, Vlad. But opponents disagree. They say that there is no issue with freedom of religion in Indiana. And what this law is, it's simply a backlash against the legalization of same-sex marriage in that state.
And Adriana, have there been cases where Indiana business owners have denied business to customers simply based on religious grounds?
There have been a couple. In one case, a cake maker didn't want to make a cake for a gay couple. In another, a few years ago, a bakery didn't want to bake rainbow cookies for a student organization. But there have also been a lot of businesses who oppose this bill, or this law, I should say, now that it was signed. There have been stickers popping up all over Indianapolis that say "Open to serve everyone." So those are stores that are against this bill. The Indiana Chamber of Commerce has talked about how this law is going to hurt Indiana business. And recently, Gen Con, which is the largest convention that goes to Indianapolis, has said that they are threatening and they will plan to move their convention to another state because of this law.
Adriana Diaz in Chicago, thank you.